Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Welcome again, guys. Welcome to another video lecture by Kame Biology. Today in this video lecture we are going to talk about RNA structure. In the previous video lecture we talked about the DNA structure in detail. We talked about the Watson and Crick model, and we talked the nucleotides which are found in DNA. We talked the sugar molecule. We talked the nitrogenous bases, pentose sugar, phosphate group which are usually found in DNA molecule, and how exactly a DNA molecule will be look like. So for today in this video lecture we are going to talk about RNA. So for the understanding of RNA structure you need to understand the DNA structure, because both RNA and DNA will be look like same, but the difference is just a little bit. Okay, we'll be talking in this video lecture. So let me start. Okay, so here what we are going to talk about, RNA structure. Now RNA have again the same nucleotide. RNA have the nitrogenous bases, but they have uracil instead of thymine. Okay, RNA have also nitrogenous bases, but they have uracil. RNA have also phosphoric acid, and RNA have also pentose sugar, but in this case they have ribose sugar. Okay, fine. And in ribose sugar what actually we have that at carbon number 1 we have the nitrogenous bases, at carbon number 2 we have the functional group, means we have the hydroxyl group. Carbon number 3 we have also the hydroxyl group, and we have the phosphoric acid at carbon number 5. The same thing, but just different is that here we have another extra oxygen which we call it hydroxyl group or functional group. Okay, so this is the RNA, this is the ribose sugar structure. And remember, when ribose sugar are connected with one to each other, connected, and they make a long polymer chain, we call that RNA. Okay, either it is a single strand or it is a double strand. Okay, it doesn't mean that RNA will be always in the single strand. Okay, usually in eukaryotic cell you will find that RNA is a single stranded, but in case of viruses RNA may be a single stranded or it may be a double stranded. Okay, so again in this case, again what actually we have the nucleotide, means this is the structure of the nucleotide having this hydroxyl group. Okay, and this nucleotide will be connected with another nucleotide by the phosphodiester bond, as we explained in the previous video lecture that how actually they are connected. Here are the hydroxyl group and here is also the hydroxyl group. Both hydroxyl group are removed out in the form of water, so that's why a bond is formed which we call it phosphodiester bond. So this one nucleotide and this one nucleotide are connected to each other by the hydroxyl group. Okay, now these nucleotides are actually the ribose sugar. Fine, and they have adenine, they make a bond with uracil in this case. Fine, now here is OH. Okay, and cytosine and guanine, everything is fine. This is the RNA structure. RNA is also, they have also, as they are the single strand, so their one strand will be started from 5' to 3'. Okay, if it is the double strand, so its other strand will be going to 3' to 5', just like DNA. Okay, and they make a double bond with adenine, make a double bond with uracil. Okay, so this is about the structure of the RNA, that how RNA will be look like. Again, the RNA is also, they can rotate in a clockwise direction. So there is no difference, a lot of difference between RNA and DNA, but the difference is just the ribose sugar, means they have ribose sugar, they have hydroxyl group, and they will be connected in the same manner as we talked in a DNA. Okay, and they have the nitrogenous bases, adenine, guanine, cytosine, and uracil, not thymine. Fine. So that's in a sense about that RNA structure, that how actually RNA will be look like. I hope you get idea about the RNA structure. If you like the video, so make sure to hit the like button, share this video, and also subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.